evenings, March 31st, 2016. I have all 5 works out that were just reviewed. I won't know till tomorrow if any were accepted for a show. It's going to be at the Seattle Convention Center called Seattle, the Water Around Us, or something like that title-wise. I've been busy framing here. This is the 2015-2016 drawing of Sir Herbert Reed's Magical Art Tour of Puget Sound, which includes 4 waterfront sketches I did in 1990 of freighters, sailboats, and a barge. And Sir Herbert Reed will be very excited if this gets in the show. Very, very. This is a aluminum plate, a drawing on aluminum plate that began as a lithograph with lithographic crayon, but then was shelved sometime after 1983 until last year, when I began working it up with regular pencils, and I was working on it actually very recently. Wednesday, the Seattle Times, extra. Giant doggies bites wreak havoc downtown Seattle. Mayor, City Council call out for lunch. Biodegradable research, probable cause, but UW professor Hanford, radiation possible. Gefilte heavy matzahs, heavy matzah balls in Puget Sound. There's also at least 1 lutefisk there. Hi. They will email us tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
They're going to tell us tomorrow if any of the works were accepted.
They need a convention every.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Good.
This is a etching from around 1979-80. 2 etchings, actually 3 on 2 different sheets, with a drawing that was done years later, and then even more drawing that was done of gefilte fish, lutefisk, and cannelloni just in the last couple of weeks or so. La Mer, Peter, Puget, and Puget Sound, a kind of rare document about Puget Sound history. And 2 of the 3 gefilte fish menorah ichthyological scientific illustration studies I've done since 2014. That was the first one there, the rare Puget Sound gefilte. And here we have the 2-headed dreaded Lake Washington Hakachinic gefilte. There you have it. There's videos about each of these. Separately, by the way. Voila.